AI is the newest tool in your writer's toolbox. It's a powerful writing tool, but it's still just one tool in that toolbox. The foundation of good writing has always been knowing your purpose and your audience. And good writers use a whole set of tools to help them shape their messages with this context in mind. And the better the writer, the more tools they have, and the better they use them. These tools include strategies to help you structure content for scannability, create flow from one idea to the next, and edit for clarity and readability. AI is simply another tool. Yes, it's a powerful one, but you are still in charge. And the most important skill today isn't generating AI text, it's editing AI text with a critical eye so it actually achieves your purpose.